So, good evening. Ito yung ating explanation ng upgrade ng ating water consumption monitoring with Arduino. And meron tayong additional na mga buttons and automation. So, nilagyan natin ng relay dito to control a solenoid water valve. By the way, solenoid water valve in some sense, pwede natin siyang sabihin na isang electrically controlled na gripo. So, parang meron ka daw gripo na kinokontrol ng kuryente. So, ang solenoid water valve is rated 12 volts. So, meron tayong tatlong AC/DC adapter dito na rated 12 volts to power up solenoid water valve. So, para kontrolin yung pag-turn on and turn off ng solenoid water valve, gumamit tayo ng 4-channel relay. Pero yung gagamitin natin is yung first 3 channels lang. Itong channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. So, ang first 3 channels of this relay will control the 3 solenoid water valve or parang electronically controlled na gripo to turn on and turn off. So, ang system na to is quite updated. Meron siyang automatic mode and manual mode. So, for automatic mode, kailangan yung system natin is if umabot yung reading niya, let's say dito, initially in-off ko siya, naka-off yung ating system. So, kung tumansin natin dito, ang reading natin sa house 1, house 2, and house 3 is 1 liter. 1 liter lang each. So, ang meaning nito is 1 liter pa lang yung reading. So, ang kailangan is kapag yung reading dyan umabot ng 10 cubic meter, automatically mati-turn off yung ating solenoid water valve. Example, pag itong H1 is umabot ng 10 cubic meters, or that is approximately mga 10,000 liters, automatically iti-turn off niya na yung ating solenoid water valve. Pero meron din tayong mode na what's so called manual. So initially ang system natin is manual mode. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, pag naka-off siya, no? Pag gusto kong i-on, ito yung tatlong button. This is for house 1, ito for house 2, ito for house 3. So, ang style nitong relay is kapag ganyan, off siya, lahat ng solenoid natin naka-turn off or naka-off yung ating gripo. So, pag naka-on yan itong channel 1, this is for house 1, house 2, and house 3. Pag naka-on yung channel 1, dapat naka-on din itong ating LED sa relay. Ito yung para sa house 2 or sa relay 2, ito yung para sa relay 3. So, let's try to turn on yung solenoid water valve 1. By the way, initially, pag nirun natin yung system, manual mode yun siya. So, we can press this one. Okay, so makikita natin, umilaw ito siya after some long press. Makita natin na turn on yung ating relay 1. Or yung gripo natin sa house 1 will become turn on. So, that is also true for house 2 and turn on din siya doon, and house 3. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-long press ng konti. So, this is in manual mode. So, continuous lang siya mag-turn on. Okay, walang automation, walang bilangan, walang limit as long as naka-turn on siya. Kung gusto mo i-turn off, i-press mo lang siya ulit. Okay, so nakita mo ma-turn off din yun doon. Okay, makita natin ma-turn off din yung relay, or yung pag ma-turn off yung relay, automatically ma-turn off din yung ating solenoid water valve or yung gripo. Okay, so makita mo ma-turn off din yun siya doon. So that is for manual mode. By the way, para mag-count ng ating reading, ito yung ating sensor, flow sensor yung tawag natin dito. So for now, hindi ko kinabit yung relay. Hindi ko kinabit yung solenoid water valve. By the way, dito yun siya nakakabit. Okay, sa mga side na to. Tapos ang power niya is galing dito. Yung sa solenoid water valve. Pero ikakabit na lang yun kasi ngayon wala dito yung stock nun. So, madali lang yun. Kailangan ko lang gamitin ng konting circuit. I think that's the easiest part of this project is yung pag-control ng relay sa solenoid water valve. So, ang circuit is very easy. Okay. Kailangan lang, mayroon akong supply ng 12 volts, tapos may solenoid water valve dito, which is controlled by relay. So, that is for manual mode. So, if you want to make it automatic mode, kailangan mo itong i-press. Okay. Pag i-press mo to, tapos ganito yung tunog, that means that's automatic mode. Kung makita mo, naka-on siya, kasi ang reading mo is less than 10 cubic meters pa. So, kahit i-press ko ito, okay, kita natin walang mangyayari. Hindi natin nata-turn on or nati-turn off yung ating solenoid water, o ang ating relay, ang LED at yung solenoid water valve. Pero by the way, mag-work pa rin ang reset kahit naka-automatic mode. Pwede mo pa rin siyang ma-reset. So makita natin, magre-reset yung reading natin sa house 1 to 0 kasi ito yung mga reset buttons. So this is for automatic mode. So by the way, kaya nga tinawag na automatic, hindi na mag-work yung ating manual buttons kasi naka-automate na siya. So kung gusto mong gawing manual ulit, i-press mo lang to siya ulit. At kapag pag press mo siya tapos naging automatic, ang beep is 3 beeps. Tulad ng rinig nyo kanina. Pero pag ginawa mo siyang manual, ganito yung beep. Itong ang tunog na mangyayari. Okay, so isang long press, makita mo na isang mahabang beep yung mangyayari. That is meaning ang system natin ngayon will go on to manual mode. So pag manual mode, again, pwede mo siyang i-turn off manually. Okay, long press lang ng konti, mga 1 second. Okay. Sometimes medyo matagal pala, mga 1 to 2 seconds na pressing. Kasi kapag hindi long press, ang problema natin doon is kapag may nabangga lang, mag-turn off kagad. So makita mo ng turn off din yan. And pwede ko siyang i-turn on ulit. Okay? Okay, so kailangan medyo matagal yung pressing, tapos medyo matigas yung button. Okay. So mga 2 seconds or 1 second na press. Gusto mo siyang gawing off ulit. Automatic mode. So that's automatic mode. So reset. Okay. So may delay ng resetting ng konti. But it's still accurate. So ngayon naging 0 ulit kasi ni-reset ko siya ulit. So I think that's all. Konti na lang idadagdag. The easiest part na lang yung ating solenoid water valve. Thank you very much.